All right, what are we doing? What are we doing today?
Making a strawberry planter.
A strawberry planter, and what are we going to put that in?
A bucket.
A 5-gallon bucket? And where do we go to get 5-gallon buckets?
Firehouse.
So part of the problem when you're going for strawberries is when Lowe's doesn't have any strawberries. Now what are we going to do?
Go somewhere else?
Go somewhere else other than Lowe's?
I don't have a Batman bracelet, but Daddy does. Huh?
Put it all the way back. And we forgot the piece that actually attaches the hole saw to the drill. Back to Lowe's. Want to make that work?
I guess so.
But what is that for? We're going to cut a hole in what?
The buckets.
That's it. Just like so. 2 hands. Okay. Not hard. Light. Hang on, let me get it started again. That was a good one. Good try. I think you can do it. You're not going to mess anything up. Just try it. There you go. Okay. Show the camera. Put this on the end we didn't cut. Put it in front of the camera. Show that.
Wait, this side?
Uh-huh. Get it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. This will go down in the middle, and this will water all the strawberries. Good job. Nice. All right. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is that right? Did we count them right? Try one first. Oh, a little pressure. That works. Okay, you gonna try it? Come on. Done. Keep rolling. Done. Done. Easy peasy. Well, how's it go? What do you say? Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let go.
One more hole.
Push down. Hold it straight like that. Push down. Nice. Way to go, kiddo. Way to go.
Mini frisbees.
Drainage holes in. Go ahead. It's not in that middle circle everywhere else. Nice. Spin it again. Keep spinning and lift up. Lift up. There you go. Just move your hands so your hands aren't getting hit.
Here?
Looks good. Nice. Are you a little handy woman? Look at you. You're ready for HGTV. Nice job, killer. Look at you. Landscape fabric. Only one is enough to go on the bottom. Okay, so you hold that. Got it? Let's fold it through there. We don't need it that long. Need it wider than that though. Shove it down in there like that. So none of the dirt gets out. That make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Is it really, or are you just agreeing with me? Okay. That's alright. Take what I can get. Alright. Now we got some landscape fabric in the bottom, so the dirt doesn't come out the holes in the bottom. But the water will. We don't want it to get so wet that the strawberries drown. Did you know strawberries could drown?
What?
I'm serious. Now, take some of this pea gravel. Pea gravel. Not that kind of pea. Oh gosh!
Oh my god.
Yeah. Okay, that might have been a little much. Oh man, they're hot. Now, strawberry plants. I'll put the big ones at the top. What's at the bottom? This is gonna work. We're gonna give it a shot. Hands are gonna get super dirty.
I'll just wash
That's what I like to hear. So, see, do we shove it in through this way? Why not? Because it won't fit, right?
Yeah.
So let's take him gently, feed him through here. Like this. Hopefully. Look at that. I think we knew what we were doing. Look at that. Very gentle. Put it down there. You're not going to be able to do that. Just put it right there and then gently push the leaves through the hole. And as you get a couple in, just keep scooting it up. Leave that hole right there. So we can put a tube down in there. Tube. Ah! Back is broken. Oh. It's too tall. We should have done this before we did the gravel. There we go. Now we can put a lid on this. Alright, so grab one of these guys. Get you some dirt. Grab another one of them too. Dirt right between the plants. It's moist. Just don't get it in the middle, in the hole where my finger is. Good job. Tighten it down. Now let's see if the tube stays. Ready? All right. Oh, look at the little strawberry right there. I don't think he's gonna make it. So, we fed the strawberry plants through the holes that we made. Just put them all the way around the edge there. We got our watering tube here in the middle. We just put a cap on there so we couldn't get any dirt down in the hole. That was Miss Mika's good idea. And now we're going to fill it back up with topsoil, and we'll be done. Hopefully, all our water's not going to come out of these holes. Hopefully these plants' roots are going to act like a filter. All this dirt inside the bucket. If not, we're going to have a giant mess all over our patio. I like it. Hope we did good. Oh yeah, look at that. That's ugly.
What?
It's ugly.
It's ugly.
It's ugly. It's going to be beautiful though. Ooh, smells like pickles. Yep. Pea gravel. Try something different with this one. We're going to put another layer of this on. Get the dirt out of our pea gravel. And I can't see, you're in charge. How we doing? Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Good.
Well, that saved us 20 minutes, didn't it? All right, get her cage.
Cage? Okay. Got the cage for me. Or it could be my dress.
Or your dress, yeah. Get the cage dress over here. Oh. Tickle, 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 tickle. It'll tickle on the bottom. Helps the roots realize that it's time to grow.
Now what is that?
This is mulch. This will make your hands black for a long time.
Are we gonna use it? Will?
Yeah, because it's got dye in it. It's black.
Or how?
Let me just do this. Is going to make it so no weeds grow on the top. And you know what else it does that's really cool about mulch? It keeps all the moisture in. It insulates it so you don't have, you know how some of those plants, they look kind of dry? This will keep ours from getting dry. So there's two purposes, both of which are awesome. That one's really heavy.
This one? Okay, I was about to carry it, but I changed my mind.
All right, so we finished the daddy-daughter project. We got our tomato and our strawberry buckets here. Only thing left to do is water them and wait for the fruit and enjoy. Was it fun?
Mm-hmm.
You want to do it again sometime?
Yes.
Maybe next time you can do more work.
Trying to get into the hole. I can barely get into the hole.